Morning everyone, good morning. This is Gurmeet Kalra, your English teacher. Today I am going to explain you chapter 3 interrogative sentence. All you know that I have already explained this chapter in online web class. So let's begin the chapter 3. I hope your all exams were very good and you all are fine. So begin the chapter. Chapter 3 interrogative sentences. Some sentences are always used to ask question. These sentences are called interrogative sentence. It means those sentences which ask the question are interrogative sentences. These sentences end with a question mark. It means interrogative sentence always end with question mark. Now read the following examples. See, here are 3 examples which help you to know better what is interrogative sentence. Are you going to school? It means in the sentence someone is asking, are you going to school? It means it is a interrogative sentence. And here question mark also present. Who is the most intelligent boy in the class? And then question mark. It means it is a interrogative sentence. One more thing I want to tell you, that interrogative sentence always begin with helping verb or WH word. WH word means question words. Now the third one, where are you going? In this sentence someone is asking, where are you going? And lastly the question word. We can make a questions from a statement. It means we can make interrogative sentence by statement sentences. Read the following examples. 1. He is Rohit. It is an interrogative sentence? No, it is a statement. Second one, you have a book. It is also a statement. Third one, he is late. It is also a statement. We can easily make question sentences, interrogative sentence by the statement. See, now in this one I'm going to explain you how to make statement sentence from the how to make question sentence from the statement sentence. Now look how we can change these into questions. He is Rohit. See, in this method, simply do take the helping verb out and put the helping verb firstly, then subject, then object. See, he is Rohit, and after that is a helping verb, then subject he, then Rohit, then question mark. Now it become a interrogative sentence. Is he Rohit? It means someone is asking that is he Rohit? Now the second one, you have a book. See, in the sentence we don't have any extra helping verb or anything by which we can make. So we just add do before it. Add do before you or at the beginning of the sentence. Do you have a book? It means someone is asking, do you have a book? It is a interrogative sentence. Then turn the page number 18, the third one. He is late. So in the first sentence I have already explained you what we have to do. We just take the is out and put firstly is, then he, then late. Now it become an interrogative sentence. Is he late? And question mark. Okay. Now read the following examples. The boy was in class 3rd. Now was the boy in the class 3rd? It means it is a interrogative sentence. She is the winner. In a statement, in this statement someone is telling that she is a winner. Now after that someone is asking, is she the winner? He will come tomorrow morning. Will he come tomorrow morning? Question mark. Now by these words, by these examples, I am ending my video. I am ending my class. Class, if you have any doubt, then concern me in English homework group. I will clear your all doubts. Now, stay healthy, eat healthy. Goodbye, everyone.